Quick rundown.
Hang on, start from the start. Yeah, he's not acting very enthusiastic about it.
So, Toby spent about 20 minutes polishing the wheels on the Camaro, right? And in return, because we call him 10 Favours Toby, I've got to rebuild his whole car for him. There's Reg. Which is now on, what is it on? Hydraulic. It's on hydraulic, so I got to make some rear arches for it. And it's one of those jobs that, it's a job that I don't want to do, so keep watching.
You were enthusiastic when I was doing your wheels there.
Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah, because there's loads of stuff blocking the view.
There's loads of blind spots.
Well, I didn't touch it. I didn't touch that. I put it down by itself.
It's quite small though.
Yeah. Oh, maybe we can get in my car. Why did you cut these off?
80s pop with that What About Love to round off the hour 4 o'clock.
Right.
It could punch. Anyway, we'll get
Make
some
it out of
news,
metal,
and
innit?
then next hour,
Fucking
among other
carbon
things,
fibre.
we've got the new
So
one
we
from
can do the friendly thing.
What do you reckon's that, Art? Yeah. Well, that would be the bottom. Yeah? Hello!
We've been bed.
I'm not done that. What's the plan? What if it breaks it?
Do it again, Tob.
Right, as you've just seen from all the time-lapse footage, I've been a pretty smart guy here. I've been quite intelligent. And what do you do when you're the boss and you don't want to do a job? Delegate it. Thank you, Adrian. So instead of me having to work on this, I've managed to convince Stan that he should be doing it. So I wheeled up the main wing there on the English wheel, the hard bit, and then Stan's just swanned in and done the last easy bit of giving it that lip on the arch. Bit of an easy one, was it?
Yeah.
And to make it look the same style as the original ones. Here it is, look. Only less rusty. We've got that lip on there. Got that lip on there. And it's a bit wider. So he's screwing it on now. And I'm going to let him continue doing this because I don't want to do it. And
Cheers, mate.
yeah, this is more of a episode of teaching you how to get out of doing jobs you don't want to do. So it doesn't look like it fits. You struggling there? Do you want me to film it even closer for you?
No.
Just so you can see you struggling?
No. Yeah.
What are you going to do with that big gap there?
Which big?
That one.
Oh, fill it up.
Fill it up with what?
A bit of mig.
Send a load of mig round it. All right then. Obviously the car there is all the way up.
Where did they go?
But we'll let it down. How far does it go down?
Have you seen this terminal as well?
Oh.
Drill bit.
Yeah, drill bit through it and a nail. There's 80, look, he's well impressed with the whole thing. Nothing happened. Oh, here we go. Oh, you just hear it rub as it goes down, can't you? It's actually all right, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks pretty fat.
Yeah. All right then. Well, keep watching. We're going to do some more stuff. Successfully not finished and sent out the door. Well, we've done the hard bit, so Toby can weld the arches on and finish the rest of the thing. It's proper shit, isn't it?